just made an apocalypse death machine, as you can see. This is based off the apocalypse death machine we made in the last video, but you know, it's just way better. The best thing is it is in a house. Well, not in a house, but it's sitting on top of a house, so you can see very good accessibility. This is the aiming reticle. I'm gonna get to that later. So first of all, I'm gonna show you how to get in this. You just get into a random villager's house where you can see that on top and climb this ladder. There you go. We are on. By the way, I've put 4 glowstones, one over there, one over there, one over there, one over there. Now, you can see that whenever we want to break the signal, we kind of have to take redstone and put it back. Let me show you. Let me show you what I mean. Just take redstone dust. Let me show you. This thing is filled with fire charges. This way you can aim. You can see. Aim properly. And you just flick it on and off real quick. That was not quick enough, I guess. Now, if you fail the signal or you want to stop it, you have to break the redstone signal. Somewhere over here, not here. To flick it on and off really quick. Over here, it only has one dispenser, so it is pretty darn if you want to break this, cut the signal off. Bam. It does kind of set on fire, but it's concrete, so it is not gonna ignite. So because you need to break the signal and put redstone again, I've put redstone dust in each of these chests, which is fire charges too, just in case, to recharge the dispenser. Let me just recharge the dispenser real quick. I can just access these things right over here. Oh my god, everything's almost empty. It's using everything a little bit, so it is kind of annoying. Just need to load the new things. There you go, it's loaded. You also have a lot over here. Now, if you want to look for enemies in case you don't find any, you just want to look around. You can just climb over this. Oh, I failed to climb that. What? Failed to climb it. There you go. This is where you can look for enemies if you want to, shoot them. Not burn them to death. So you can look for enemies. Basically, that's about it. Come down. And just to get out, of course, get down here, destroy this door, and close it again. That is about it about this singular death machine. I literally made it on a villager's house. He can access it though, but he does not know how to use it, so... Hey yo, what you doing, bro?
That's an enemy?
No.
Who is that then?
I need to take this fire out.
How's that?
Bro. I took the wrong thing. I needed to take out a water bucket, but I took out a potion. Some random potion. What the hell? Anyways, this is about it.